The Civil Justice program at Loyola Law School has developed the Journalist Law School. This innovative program was created to educate journalists to better report on the law. Journalists work diligently to provide accurate information about the legal system to the public. But without a legal background, the challenge is daunting. Launched in June of 2006, the Journalist Law School is an intensive 4-day fellowship-based program. 35 journalists from every geographic region of the country and representing major media, both print and broadcast, are competitively selected to attend the program.
The Journalist Law School has made a huge impact on my day-to-day work. I'm an editor, so I have a lot of choices to make every single day about what we cover and what we don't cover. And the things that I learned at the Journalist Law School really help to inform those decisions about what makes a good story.
The courses are designed to enhance media understanding of the third branch of government. The curriculum addresses topics like the structure of our tripartite system, distinctions between statutory and common law, and how the judicial branch differs from the legislative branch.
The thing that I liked best about the curriculum is that the organizers asked us for our input about what we'd like to learn before we attended. And so because of that, I feel like everything I wanted to learn, I did.
The classes take place in the Loyola Law School campus in the Girardi Advocacy Center. Designed by world-renowned architect Frank Gehry, the center contains state-of-the-art teaching facilities and courtrooms. Criminal law is taught by Professor Lori Levinson, a former federal prosecutor and a frequent commentator on criminal cases for CNN. Professor Carl Mannheim, also an expert on law and technology, covers constitutional law. Professor John Knockleby, a former civil rights attorney and the director of Loyola's Civil Justice program, teaches civil law. Breakout sessions on a variety of topics permit focused attention.
The program was fantastic in gaining a better appreciation of the law and understanding of the law and specific nuts and bolts topics.
Guest speakers come in from around the country. In 2006, they included the Honorable George Greer from Florida, the judge in the Terry Schiavo case, Chief Justice Shirley Abrahamson from the Wisconsin Supreme Court, Los Angeles District Attorney Steve Cooley, and Linda Deutsch from the Associated Press. Nationally known lawyers representing diverse perspectives within the legal community add to the structured curriculum.
In addition to all of the presenters being knowledgeable and interesting, it was a great way to interact with other journalists in all different forms of media and at all different levels of experience and from all across the country.
After an intense day of classes, the journalists socialize and mingle with each other as well as with invited members of the legal community. These evening receptions and dinners permit informal connections where friendships are made and professional relationships are forged.
I met wonderful people when I was there. That was one of the great benefits of the program that I hadn't really anticipated, which is meeting so many people with so much knowledge about journalism, also knowledge about the law. They had such great questions. I learned almost as much from them as I did from the professors.
The goal of the Journalist Law School is to empower journalists with a deeper knowledge of the justice system, and by extension, to help educate the public.
I would highly recommend this program to others, and in fact I already have. It was definitely the best experience I've had in a continuing education program for journalists.
One last thing, the food was great. And all of the accommodations, the organization was tremendous. So much thought went into this. I was really very pleased and touched in a way that people had thought to make our lives so comfortable and so enjoyable while we're learning from wonderful people.